Do you want to study filmmaking in the Highlands and Islands? Do you want flexible study options? Do you want to learn from tutors with industry experience who can advise on current trends and support you in developing as a visual storyteller? Do you want the freedom to roam and be inspired by our incredible landscape, people and place? Do you want hands-on tutor support and a creative community of practice? Do you want to hone your filmmaking skills, learn about camera and sound recording techniques, use lighting to create mood and tone, sustainable filmmaking practices, post-production techniques, and harness AI ethically and sustainably? Then this is the course for you.